This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we will be taking an in-depth look at a token whose value has risen by more than 30% just over the last 7 days. During the same time, it has also catapulted itself into the top 40 of over 10,000 altcoins presently on the market today. Did I mention that it's less than a month old? Now, the token that I'm speaking of is Arbitrum. And before I share everything with you about it, if you haven't done so already, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Now, what is Arbitrum? It's an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. It uses optimistic rollups to achieve its goal of improving speed, scalability, and cost efficiency on Ethereum. Arbitrum benefits from the security and capability of Ethereum. Another benefit is the higher throughput and lower fees compared to Ethereum. That is made possible thanks to moving most of the computation and storage load off-chain. All right. Now we're going to go into it a little further here and talk about the governance token ARB, which is the native governance token of Arbitrum, and holders can vote on proposals and protocol upgrades that hold ARB. All right, now it includes an ambitious roadmap for 2023, which includes launching its own Layer 3 solution called Orbit, enabling programs written in Rust and more, and expanding its validator. Decentralization. Arbitrum uses a network of validators who stake ARB tokens and also earn fees. All right. And on March 23rd, the ARB token was launched, so less than a month ago, and its value is up more than 40% over the last 7 days. This is a fact. Now, right here, this is the project's website. I'll leave it link in the description. And as you can see, Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova are now under decentralized governance. I'm going to show you something else. Here, I'm going to click on this ecosystem job boards. All right. We bring you value in so many different ways. And if we look here, let's build a more secure and decentralized tomorrow. I'm all for that, yes. Now, if we look here, I want you to look over here in the top left-hand corner. It says search jobs. There are 89 jobs in the crypto space just on this one platform. Look here. So if any of you are interested, and many of them are remote, look. Then you have a couple that are in person, but many of them are remote. Project lead, business development. Let's go down further. SEO, content manager, administrative business partner. There's so many of them. Now you have to go and do this yourself. We're not a job recruiter. What I want to show you, in addition to that, let's go down here. We can see 7.4 billion locked in as of Friday. And market roll-up share, 66%. Total users, 4.8 million. Ethereum gas saved, $1.1 billion in less than a month. Wow. Accelerate your business with Nitro. Arbitrum 1 and Nova are powered by Nitro. So they're talking about the security and also the lower fees without sacrificing any security. Go in here and read all this yourself. I've done so. I'm sharing it with you because of it. Stylus, the EVM plus equivalence. Now, we talked about this. Upcoming Stylus will enable users to deploy programs written in popular programming languages like Rust, C, and more. And then down here, we'll go down. We can see here, it says Oh yes, what else I want to share with you? Now the founders, these are the founders of Arbitrum, and that would be Stephen Goldfeder, Ed Felton, and Harry Calalona. Sorry if I'm butchering your name, gentlemen. My apologies. But the thing about it is it was developed by Off-Chain Labs, a New York-based development company. Ed Felton is a computer science professor at Princeton and served as President Obama's deputy CTO. He is the co-founder and chief scientist of Off-Chain Labs. Steve Goldfeder is a computer scientist and entrepreneur from Princeton as well. Now, as of today, Sunday, April the 16th, the price per token is $1.64. We can see here it's down slightly over the last 24 hours, 24-hour high of $1.60. I'm sorry, $1.66, and a low of 160 is currently ranked number 34. So it's risen in rank since I started talking about it. Down here, we can see directly under its price, current market cap is $2 billion exactly. And we can see here this is verified through CoinMarketCap. Now working my way over to the right of the screen, at 24-hour trading volume, just under $1 billion. We can see here in the last 24 hours. Working my way over to the right further, the circulating supply, 1.275 billion ARB tokens are currently already in investor hands out of a total maximal supply of what's going to be 10 billion. So we're talking less than 20% of tokens that'll be available. But it's so new, all right, over the last week it is up over 40% from a low of $1.16 Wednesday, all right. And we can see here, I'm going to show you all time because it just came out last month, remember, on March the 23rd. Look. All right. So we don't have a long-term body of work to look at because it's so new. I know it's in the top 40 already. I know a lot of profits have been made over the last week, but do your own research, okay? Our job is to give you all the information you need to make your own decisions. Now, if you want to get some ARB tokens, you can do so using our link to Coinbase as well as our link to crypto.com that I'm going over right here. Get up to $65 in crypto just for taking a few tests to expand your knowledge. In addition to this, you have to protect what you have. The only way to do so is to get your own cold storage wallet. Now, Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. Right now, they have a special sale introducing their Safe Journey offer. You buy one now, you get up to $30 in crypto, in Bitcoin actually, just for doing so. Repeat, just for doing so. Now, if you get a Nano X, which is currently $149, you get $30 in free Bitcoin. If you get a Nano S, which is only $79, you get $20 in free Bitcoin. I mean, this is phenomenal. I wish they had this going on when I got my wallets. They even show you how it works to get your Bitcoin, and you save it or spend it. It's up to you. I would advise saving it. Do what you want, and it also tells you here why exactly you need a wallet, because it is the only way to be in control of your crypto, which is your money. Never, ever compromise your security. Again, the link is in the description, and the link to Coinbase and crypto.com as well. All right, use them. You'll thank me soon. Now, if this video has been of value to you, and you want to contribute to the growth of this channel and helping us provide even more value to all of you, you can do so by sending a super thanks right now. All denominations are greatly appreciated and help us to build and to grow and provide more to all of you, which is the only reason why we're here, so that you can do that. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.